Hello friends, how are you today? I want to talk to you about a very cool feature that Facebook has launched, and that allows you to book or schedule appointments uh, right within the Facebook app. So this is a new feature which Facebook has rolled out, and this is meant for service providers, businesses who provide their services, and so the way this works is that you set it up in your Facebook, and once you set it up, your tribe can directly schedule appointments with you without you needing any third party device or third party calendar app or scheduling app. Now the cool thing about this is that this also is available then for you on your Instagram page. If you have an Instagram business page profile, then it shows up as an additional tab on your Instagram business profile as well. I find this feature very useful because especially for small business and service providers, it gives you a very easy way to set up appointments or schedule meetings, or even schedule for the services that you provide right within the Facebook itself. So it's pretty cool, and I'm going to show you now how to use it. So bear with me as I wear my glasses, and I'll share my screen with you to show you how to set it up quickly. Okay, so now we go to my Facebook account. I'll show you how to set this up. So we go here to my Facebook page. Okay. Once I land in my page, you will be, on every Facebook page, you see this blue button here. So this could be set up to call us, message us, or whatever it is that you want people to, reach out to you in whatever way. So what we do is we edit it here. So we say edit button here, and then it gives you a drop-down menu and has all the various options available. So now if you want to choose, the scheduling option, then you have to choose this number one, which is called the book with you. And then click on this button right there, and we proceed forward next. Okay. Now here you see this is the new feature, which is called appointment on Facebook. So we click here, and it launches a setup wizard, which is fairly easy to go through. So I'll just run through the steps quickly. Turn the followers into customers next, and here this is where it lands you, where you are then asked to choose your time when you want to be available, the day of the week and the time of the day. I've set up mine here from 11 to 2:30, in some cases 2 p.m. And choose the Singapore time zone, whichever time zone you belong to. And then click the next, and we come here. So here we keep this appointment approval on, because we want to have a manual approval in place, so that it won't just auto approve the scheduled time and scheduled slots. Then you choose the slots. Like here I've chosen 60-minute. You could choose 15 or maybe 30. Okay, so after you've chosen the time, you say next. And the next thing that it asks you to do is to set up your services, because this feature is only available to people who are providing some kind of service. So as you can see here, I've set up 3 services for my page. So I offer digital and social media marketing, and I give one-on-one consulting session free for an hour to my tribe, and you can book that 1-hour session with me anytime. And based on that, we understand your social media needs and come up with some recommendations. You can just take that advice for free, or you can engage me further for a paid assignment as well. So I also do one-on-one coaching, where I give you advice on digital marketing and anything to do with fashion and marketing, fashion industry, since I have a number of years of experience in that industry as well. And the third thing I provide is training. So training is where I give you a one-on-one session, or maybe even a group session. It's totally customizable depending on what your needs are in two areas of expertise. One is digital and social media marketing, and the other one is anything to do with fashion industry. So now that I've set up my services, I click the done button here. Yeah. and then it takes me to, okay, that's it, we are done. Yeah. And then here is a test appointment, and you set up your date, you choose and create appointment. And that's it. Now, if you go back to my page, let's go back to my page and see if this is working fine or not. Now, if I do this, if I click this test button, this is how it will launch. Let's say you want to choose a service and then continue. This is how the user experience will be. You choose a date and a time, and that's it, we are set. So I hope you like this video. And the other cool thing about this is that it automatically, if your page is connected to Instagram, your business Instagram, then it will automatically show as a tab on your business Instagram handle and Instagram profile. Like I'll quickly show you. Let me stop sharing the screen with you now. Stop share, and now you can see me here straight away. And so I wanted to show you on my Instagram profile how it works. Let me show you on my page. I wish I could show it to you on the screen, but right now I don't have that feature. I'll figure it out for sure in time to come. This is my screen, folks. As you can see, there is a button here which says book. So when you click on that button, it'll open the same interface as it did on Facebook. So I hope you like this video, and I'll come up with some useful stuff for you next time when I'm free and ready to share some more input with you as time permits. But I'm happy to share this knowledge with you for free because I want to add value to your life in whatever way I can. Thank you for watching, and stay in touch and reach out to me if you need any help with digital marketing. That's the way I earn my living today, and I'll do my best to serve you to the best of my ability. Take care and ciao. Bye-bye.